Children, our first chapter in moral values is obedience. So, what is the meaning of obedience in Hindi? Obedience means Agyakari. So, we learn this chapter by one short story. So, let us start. Children, once there was a little rabbit. Once there was a little rabbit. Do you know, students, what is his name? His name was Tiny. His name was Tiny. So, who is Tiny? Tiny was a little rabbit. He always passed by a pond on his way to school. Students, do you know, when Tiny is on the way to school, he passed by a pond. There was a pond nearby his school. He always passed by a pond on his way to school. A big and greedy crocodile lived in the same pond. Students, you know, when Tiny is on the way to his school, he passed by a pond. Do you know who lived in the pond? A big and greedy crocodile lived in the same pond. A big and greedy crocodile lived in the same pond. And you know, he wanted to eat Tiny. He wanted to eat Tiny. One day, the crocodile called out in a sweet voice. You know, students, one day what happens? Crocodile called out in a sweet voice. Oh, little rabbit, come closer to the pond. Tiny took a step backward. Tiny took a step backward and replied, "Who are you? Why should I come closer?" Tiny replied, "Who are you? Why should I come closer?" The crocodile replied, "Oh, you are so nice. I just want to talk." But Tiny remembered his mother's words. Tiny remembered his mother's words and said to himself, "Mummy had warned me not to talk to strangers. Mummy had warned me not to talk to strangers. I think I should go home." But the crocodile was very clever. He's very greedy. You know, the crocodile said again, "Oh, come to me fast, dear child. I have a gift for you." Crocodile it looks like a stranger and he is very greedy. So he is calling Tiny, "Oh, come to me fast, dear child. I have a gift for you." Tiny recalled again and said in his heart, "Mummy had also said that wicked strangers offer gifts and toffees. Tiny recalled again what his mama said. His mama said that wicked strangers offer gifts and toffees. Wicked means shaitan. Shaitan ajnabi. Stranger means ajnabi. So, wicked strangers offer gifts and toffees. He jumped and ran back home. Tiny jumped and ran back to the home. Tiny mother was very happy to see him. Why Tiny mother was very happy to see him? Because Tiny did whatever his mother asked to him, not to talk with the strangers. Strangers offer gifts and toffees. So, when he told her what had happened on the way, do you know, Tiny mother hugged Tiny and said, "You are my obedient baby." Why Tiny mother asked Tiny, "You are my obedient baby"? Because Tiny obeys his mother advice. Tiny is an obedient baby. He knows very well not to talk with the strangers because strangers offer gifts and toffees. That's why he neglect crocodile. What crocodile is asking to Tiny. Okay, that's why he ran back to his home and he is the obedient baby of his mother. Okay, student. So this is the story based upon obedience. Okay, students. Thank you.